Hi guys, welcome to this quick unboxing and review about this SEEMINE 3-in-1 wireless magnetic charger, alarm clock, time and even RGB light for your nightstand, office or wherever. Could be also a really nice gift because it's beautiful. So let's take it out of the box, see what we get. Comes with a short instructions manual and here the charging station, nicely protected. Comes even with a powerful power brick and charging cable. It's very important to use a powerful power brick, so a good idea to rely on the included one. For the magnetic phone charger we need also a magnetic part on the phone. Usually iPhones have it built in, but Samsung Galaxy phones definitely not. So we have two possibilities. Either we use the included magnetic ring with this 3M tape directly on the phone or on the case, or we use a magnetic case with a built-in magnet here, something like that. Similar thing also for the watch holder, so definitely perfect only for Galaxy watches. And down here we have the dedicated area for the Galaxy earbuds. So connecting power to the power brick, plug in the power brick itself, connect it to the charger. And so we have it here connected with the warm light activated, but we can also switch to the RGB light. That's a light mode where the light is cycling through different colors. So here we can see the green one now turning blue, now switching again, something purple, yellowish, switching to white, blue again. But we can also turn it off completely. With this button we can adjust the brightness of the time or even turn it off. We have these three settings. With a long press we can switch between 12-hour and 24-hour setting. Here on the left side we can change the time. When we long press, the hours are flashing, then we can adjust it with plus and minus. Long press again, then we can change the minutes. Long press again to save it. And same thing of course for the alarm time. And to charge the earbuds we can just put it here and we can see starts already charging, and it's not even a Samsung earbud, so it supports also other wireless rechargeable earbuds. Here the charging pad for the Samsung watch, can see goes into charge pretty soon, and it has a magnetic hold, pretty strong, shows also the charge nicely. And at the same time, while these two devices are already charging, we can add the phone here with the magnetic part, and also this one has a very solid hold. And so we can see it says fast wireless charging. We can change the angle here from almost straight to about 45 degrees angle. But of course we can also make it landscape. So you can, for example, even use it to watch a video. Very nice, easy, rotatable. Has a very strong magnetic hold. Yeah, it's not the best camera which I'm using here, but I wanted to show you here that really all these three devices are charging at the same time. So it's a really nice, beautiful thing. Even supporting fast charge for the Samsung phones, 5 watts for all the other chargers. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this charger, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.